Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 4 plus 2. So now that we have made a foundation chain, for row 1 on the second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. So we continue making 1 single crochet through each chain throughout row 1. So for row 1 we'll make 1 single crochet through each chain, and for row 2 we'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. So we have 2 rows of single crochets. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 3 I'll use yarn in different color. Then I'll turn my work around. Then right here to a first single crochet chain I insert my hook. Then I insert my hook to a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 1, then through that same single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 4, and then through his next chain I'll make a puff stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'll chain 1, I'll skip the next 2 chains, 1, 2, and through his third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 4, then through his next chain I'll make a puff stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll chain 1, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through his third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 4, through his next chain I'll make a puff stitch. I'll chain 1, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through his third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 4, through his next chain I'll make a puff stitch. I'll chain 1, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through his third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 4, through his next chain I'll make a puff stitch. I'll chain 1, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through his third chain, which is our last single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. So this completes row 3.